Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Brave browser black screen error. So if you're opening Brave browser and it's all black, I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. Before we begin, click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and hit the bell. So let's see, I've got Brave browser over here. I'm gonna double click to open it. And as you can see, when it opens, it's all white screen or all black screen over here, and we don't see anything over here. So in order to fix that, we need to find the shortcut of our Brave browser. It's usually somewhere on the desktop, and then right click on our shortcut and then move down to properties. After we get to properties, over here we've got target. So over here we need to go to the right side, and after quotation marks we need to write space minus minus disable minus GPU. You will find this command in the description of this video, so all you need to do is copy it from the description and then paste it over here behind the last quotation mark, behind brave.exe quotation mark. Remember to put space here and then double minus disable minus GPU and next to the target one. And once we have this, we click apply. Maybe it will pop up that you need administrator's permission in order to do that, so you need to click OK or allow, and then we click OK. And once we have it, we need to open Brave browser by clicking 2 times on the shortcut that we just created. And as you can see, the Brave browser already started. And now, in order to fix that error, because that's not the end, in order to fix that error, we need to click on those 3 dashes over here, those 3 lines, and then we need to go to settings. After we open settings, on the left side over here, we need to click on additional settings in order to expand the menu, and then scroll down until we get to the system. Click on the system, and after we click on the system, over here under the system tab, we need to turn off use hardware acceleration when available. We need to turn off this option over here, and after we turn this off, we can close the browser and then right click on our shortcut again and go back to the properties. After we go to the properties, from the target over here we need to delete this part that we added in the first step because we don't need it anymore. So just delete it and then apply. Just make sure you don't delete the quotation mark or you don't delete the original part that was there. And then we click apply, we click OK, and right now our Brave browser should work normally. Let's see, I'm gonna open it, and as you can see, it's not a black screen anymore and it's working perfectly. So this is how we can easily fix black screen on Brave browser. Let me know in the comments if this solution worked for you, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.